Is learning instructional design on Coursera actually worth it? And which course should you choose if you want to get into this field? In this video, I'll give you a quick review of the best instructional design option on Coursera, so you can decide if it's right for you. If you want to explore these courses, I've linked them below so you can compare options and check current offers. Before we start, quick tip. If you plan to take more than one course, Coursera Plus is usually the better option. You can access multiple instructional design and education courses under one plan without paying for each one separately. Now, let's talk about the best overall option. One of the most recommended programs is an Introduction to Learning Experience Design, LXD, by the University of Michigan. This specialization has a strong rating of around 4.8 and is designed for beginners. It focuses on modern instructional design, also known as learning experience design. What makes this course stand out is how practical and up-to-date it is. You'll learn how to design engaging learning experiences, create content, and apply learning theories in real scenarios. The course also covers accessibility, multimedia design, and user-focused learning strategies. Now let's look at another solid option, the Instructional Design Foundations and Applications by the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign. This course has a rating of around 4.1 with hundreds of reviews. It focuses more on traditional instructional design principles like needs assessment, curriculum development, and training strategies. So, it's a good choice if you want a more academic and structured approach. Now, let's talk about what you actually learn. You'll learn how to design courses, understand how people learn, and create training programs for real-world use. Some courses also include projects, which help you build a portfolio. Now, here's the smart path. Start with a beginner-friendly program like the University of Michigan specialization. Then explore more advanced topics like online learning design, AI in education, or UX design. That's how you build real, job-ready skills. And this is where Coursera Plus becomes very useful. You can move between different courses and build a complete skill set without paying for each one separately. But let's keep it real. Instructional design is a practical skill. You need to actually create content, design lessons, and test your ideas. So, is instructional design on Coursera worth it? If you choose the right course and apply what you learn, then yes, it can be a great way to start or transition into this field, especially if you begin with the University of Michigan program. If you want to explore these courses or check out Coursera Plus, you'll find the links in the description. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple and practical guides like this.